To DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40. It's the top of the range R design. It's a facelift model. You've got absolutely immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels. Bodywork is in superb condition. You can always tell an R design with the quirky different coloured wing mirrors. As you can see, it's absolutely gleaming. Full R design body styling kit. Got the twin rear exhausts. It's a D2. Yeah, it's in lovely condition for its age. Boot area is locked. Just open that up for you. So that's all in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Inside have the familiar R design. Interior, which is the half leather white stitch piping with Alcantara. So we've got the carpet mats, electric windows, electric mirrors, parafoil mirrors. No rips or tears, wear on the bolster. It's done 551 miles. 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, locking wheel nut, 2 keys, cruise control, USB, DAB radio. Really is in lovely condition. At DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.